Arugula, a leafy green often found in salads, is packed with nutrients. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and has a peppery flavor that adds a unique twist to dishes. Dit eiknof is also a tricky for us vegetable. This means it belongs to the same family as broccoli and kale, knoven voortuig cancervergifting properties. Nov, sifting gears to Arunachal Pradesh, a stunning state in northeastern India. It's home to the majestic Himalayas and boasts incredible biodiversity. With over 500 species of orchids, it's a paradise for natuurlovers. The region is also rich in sulture, with more than 100 tribes, each with its own unique traditions and languages. Interestingly, Arunachal Pradesh is often referred to as the land of the rising sun in India, as it's the first place to see the sunrise. The blend of Arugula's health benefits and Arunachal Pradesh's natural beauty creates a fascinating connection between nutrition and nature. Both remind us of the importance of embracing the earth's gifts for our well-being.